Hello children, welcome to 8th Chemistry online classes. Synthetic fibers and plastics. In this lesson, today we are going to discuss the exercise questions in your textbook. So all of you take your textbook and notebook and ready to write the questions and answers. Exercises, page number 41 and 42. Question number 1. Explain why some fibers are called synthetic. Answer. Some fibers are called as synthetic because these are man-made or artificial fibers prepared by using chemicals. These are made of small units that join together to form long chains. Examples: nylon, rayon, acrylic, polyester, etc. Write this question and answer in your notebook. Question number 2. Mark the correct answer. Rayon is different from synthetic fibers because A. It has a silk-like appearance. B. It is obtained from wood pulp. And C. Its fibers can also be woven like those of natural fibers. The correct answer is B. It is obtained from wood pulp. So this question you can mark in your textbook. No need to write in your notebook. Mark in your textbook. Question number 3. Fill in the blanks with appropriate words. A. Synthetic fibers are also called dash or dash fibers. Artificial or man-made fibers. B. Synthetic fibers are synthesized from raw material called petrochemicals. Synthetic fibers are synthesized from raw material called petrochemicals. Like synthetic fibers, plastic is also a polymer. Like synthetic fibers, plastic is also a polymer. Then question number 4. Give examples which indicate that nylon fibers are very strong. They are used for making parachutes. They are used for rock climbing. Okay. So and you can write any other uses also. Any other examples you can write. And this question number 3 you can write in your textbook. Question number 4 write in your notebook. Question number 5. Explain why plastic containers are favored for storing food. Answer. Because the plastic do not react with the food stored in them. Okay, so because plastic is a non-reactive material. So plastic do not react with the food stored in them. Then question number 6. Explain the difference between thermoplastic and thermosetting plastic. So two columns are there, thermosetting plastic and thermoplastic. Yes, we will see that. Thermosetting plastic cannot be bent easily. It may break when forced to bend. And what about thermoplastic? Thermoplastic can be bent easily. Next point. Thermosetting plastic cannot be softened by heating. Thus it cannot be reshaped once molded. Thermoplastic can be softened easily by heating. Thus it can be reshaped. Example of thermosetting plastic is Bakelite, thermoplastic, PVC. So this question number 5 and question number 6. Write that question and answer in your notebook. Explain why the following are made of thermosetting plastics. A. Saucepan handles. Okay, we see that answer. Saucepan handles are made of thermosetting plastics because these plastics do not get softened on heating. Also, thermosetting plastics such as bakelite are poor conductors of heat. And next, electric plugs or switches or plug boards. Why we are using thermosetting plastics to that one? Answer: thermosetting plastics such as bakelite are poor conductors of heat and electricity. Therefore, they are used for making electric plugs, switches, plug boards, etc. So this question also write in your notebook. Question number 8. Categorize the materials of the following products into can be recycled and cannot be recycled. So in your textbook also you can see some items. So among that items, telephone instruments, cooker handles, electrical switches. These three are cannot be recycled. And plastic toys, carry bags, ballpoint pens, plastic bowls, plastic covering on electrical wires, plastic chairs. These can be recycled. Okay, so telephone instruments, cooker handles and electrical switches, they cannot be recycled, and others are recycled. So these question, that answer you can tick or you can mark in your textbook. Then question number 9. Rana wants to buy shirts for summer. Should he buy cotton shirts or shirts made from synthetic material? Advise Rana, giving your reason. Answer: Rana should buy shirts made from cotton. This is because cotton is a good absorber of water. It absorbs the sweat coming out of our body and exposes it to the environment, thereby cooling our body. So this answer you can write in your notebook. Question and answer write in your notebook. Question number 10. Give examples to show that plastics are non-corrosive in nature. Answer: plastics don't react with air and water. For example, chairs, buckets, all are made from plastics. Plastics don't react with acids or bases. For example, we store various chemicals in plastic bottles. So these two shows that plastics are non-corrosive in nature. Then question number 11. Should the handle and bristles of a toothbrush be made of the same material? Explain your answer. No, the handle and bristles of toothbrush should be made of different materials. The handle of a toothbrush should be hard and strong, so it should be made from plastic, while the bristles should be soft and flexible, so they should be made from nylon. So these two answers, question number 10 and question number 11, question and answer write in your notebook. Question number 12. Avoid plastics as far as possible. Comment on this advice. Answer: we should avoid plastics because plastics are non-biodegradable, and it is plastics, they are not eco-friendly. Once introduced into the environment, they take several years to decompose. Plastic causes environmental pollution. They cannot be burned, as when burned, they release poisonous gases. Plastic bags thrown in the garbage are swallowed by animals like cows. These bags choke their respiratory system and may lead to their death. Therefore, we should avoid plastics as far as possible. write this question 12 and its answer you can write in your notebook. Question number 13. Match the terms of column A correctly with the phrases given in column B. Polyester. It is matched with fabrics do not wrinkle easily. Polyester, fabrics do not wrinkle easily. Teflon, used to make non-stick cookwares. Teflon is used to make non-stick cookwares. Rayon, prepared by using wood pulp. Rayon, prepared by using wood pulp. And nylon, used for making parachutes and stockings. Nylon, used for making parachutes and stockings. This thing you can do in your textbook. Okay, you draw the lines and do it. Question number 14. Manufacturing synthetic fibers is actually helping conservation of forests. Comment. Answer. Raw materials for natural fibers are mainly derived from plants, and this means cutting a lot of trees. So natural fibers like cotton, jute, okay, so for this purpose we are cutting a lot of plants, and this leads to deforestation. But raw materials of synthetic materials are mainly petrochemicals. So for petrochemical, we are taking from petrochemicals, synthetic materials derived from petrochemical, so no need to harm plants. Hence, manufacturing synthetic fibers helps in the conservation of forests. Last question, question number 15. Describe an activity to show that thermoplastic is a poor conductor of electricity. Arrange a circuit as shown in the given figure. So you can see here a circuit. The wires are there, one battery is here. This is a key or switch, and here one bulb also there, and here one gap. Okay, place a thermoplastic in the gap. So when we are keeping one thermoplastic, a plastic piece here, observe the bulb. It is observed that the bulb does not glow. Why? Because this thermoplastic is not a conductor, that is an insulator. Then when the bulb glow, when we keep one metal piece or one conductor, okay, a metal piece here, the bulb glow. So when the thermoplastic keep here, the bulb does not glow. So we discussed all exercises, all questions in this exercise part, and I told you some questions and answers you can write in your notebook, and others fill in the blanks or match the following. Such questions you can do in your textbook itself. Okay children, thank you, all the best.